Hey everyone, Brent of AutoIndustria.com, and we are here at Okada, Manila for the very first Hardcore Manila meets Hardcore Tokyo. A gathering of car culture, everything on 4 wheels, 2 wheels, everything exciting, everything from mild to wild and hardcore. Now, here with us are all the many cars, the different car culture of the Philippines. This here, the jeepney, all the way from 1955, built by Sarao Motors. I think this is one of their very original jeepneys, a symbol of the beginnings of Filipino local car culture, the Filipino flavor. So stay tuned as we bring you more about Hardcore Manila meets Hardcore Tokyo at Okada, Manila. Here we are with the main proponents, no? Some of the main proponents of Hardcore Manila. Hindi lang naman sila, marami ang Hardcore Manila. This is a collective of car enthusiasts, mga hardcore car enthusiasts. So here's Henry and March to tell you more about Hardcore Manila and what's going on here at Okada, Manila.
So first of all, hi sa lahat ng fans and viewers ng Auto Industria and followers. And also hi din sa mga fans and followers ng Hardcore Manila. I'm Henry Chua, one of the founders of Hardcore Manila, and this is...
I'm Martin Mendoza, one of the admins of Hardcore Manila.
So share ko lang paano nag-start yung Hardcore. Yeah. Nag-start to, dalawa lang kami nung co-founder, na si Richmond Sunga, shoutout boss Richmond. So ang plan lang namin initially is parang mag-set ng mga mini-meets na gusto lang namin ibalik yung mga Green Hills vibe na typical pagtambay mo, kwentuhan lang. Tapos yung mga morning runs and midnight runs, gano'n lang. Simple tambay lang. Kasi parang nowadays, pag napansin nyo, yung mga car events, almost lagi parang ganito, parang laging event. Merong may stage, may video, lahat. Parang car show na. So, parang nawawala na yung parang kwentuhan na tambay lang, yung simple lang. So, yun lang naman ang goal namin at first. And then from 2, naging 6 yung mga founders. Doon na nabuo yung Hardcore Manila. And bakit kami nag-come up sa Hardcore Manila? I believe ako yung nag-suggest kung anong gagamiting name. Kasi I believe na lahat ng mga founders that time is talaga ang common denominator namin is puro hardcore sa auto. Hardcore sa pagbuo ng auto.
What started as 2 became 6, now 500 and more. Mabilis yung pag-angat ni Hardcore Manila. Mabilis din ang kilig ng mga car enthusiasts, no? Nagpapasalamat kami lalo na sa mga sumusuporta, tumutulong.
As you can see, parang kung titignan mo, sabi ko nga kanina, ang Hardcore Manila, simple meet lang, simple run. Pero ito, ba't meron tayong ganito? So, ginrab lang natin yung opportunity na bilang si Okada dumating, sakto, anniversary namin. So, why not? Try natin, gawin.
6:30 AM, meron ng dumating. Nag-i-ingress sila mag-isa. Dahil kami, habang nag-uusap kami ni Henry, paano natin gagawin to, planning tayo, may nakita kami sa bintana ng Okada, may mga kotse doon, sino yun? So, hindi pala totoo yung Filipino time. Pag eager pala yung mga tao, pupunta pala talaga sila. Pag sinabi mo 7 o'clock, 30 minutes before, nandito na.
Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta. Pero pasensya na, kung meron man tayong malimutan. Kasi sa totoo lang, 1 week na kaming, hindi ko na alam anong meaning ng tulog eh.
Oo. Sa lahat ng
So,
car
mapagod
clubs
lang.
para ito, lahat ng car clubs, car communities na
car culture.
Car cultures na nagpunta. Maraming salamat. Hindi na namin kayo ma-mention lahat.
Lalo na yung mga car community na pumunta dito. Around 20 or 22 na car, 23 car club, car community, different cultures na pagsama natin in one event.
Here we are right now with the special guest all the way from Tokyo, Japan, Mr. Jun Takahashi of Hardcore Tokyo. So Takahashi-san, how do you find the cars here in the Philippines, the car scene, since this is, I think, your first time in the Philippines?
Yeah, came out from Tokyo, the first time in the Philippines today. Yeah, I'm surprised that they are so many loving in the JDM cars. I didn't know that everything.
How do you find this jeepney?
The Sarao, yeah, never been seen because this car, the Philippine original car. Yeah, I'm so many surprises things. Example like USA car, the muscle car, even JDM, the left-hand driving in the car. I've been never seen everything.
Good. So, are you seeing all this? Would we be seeing you back here again in the Philippines?
Yeah, I want to go back soon. Then, of course, I want to teaching something. What is the JDM culture and the Japanese style, and also I want to take back to the Japan Philippine styles. What's happened Philippines, you know. Yep.
Si Okada maraming naituro sa amin itong 2 months na preparation namin dito sa Okada, Manila. Marami kaming natutunan dito, no? And marami kaming nakita na may mga believers pala talaga na pwede tayong maging one. Pwede tayong magsama-sama.
To add, no, boss? Itong event natin to, it's a non-profit event. So wala talaga all free dito. So, kung meron man dito sumobra, maybe lahat kasi sa hardcore, boss, pag kami sumobra, dinodonate natin sa charity. Even yung mga merch namin, wala kaming profit doon. Kung maglagay kami ng profit, dinadala namin sa charity.
Red hard, stay hardcore, hardcore Manila.
Here we are with the different race cars here behind me. There's JDM, USDM, EUDM, and whatever DM you want. So, we've seen this all for 3 days here at Okada, Manila. There was car camping, there's a grand car meet, and there's a motorsport exhibition. All here for 3 days here at Okada, Manila. Hardcore Manila celebrates their first anniversary loud and strong, very hardcore. So once again, this is Brent of AutoIndustria.com. Thank you for watching.